haven't been telling anybody this, but I just bought a new exhaust and I'm installing it today. I don't want to get all my friends' reactions. I just wanted to say thank you to Payless Muffler for the full exhaust job that they did for me. My experience with them is great. That's why I think you should check them out for very good prices, very good work, and very quick job. I'm going to leave the phone number and address down below so you can go check them out. Right now, the stock exhaust is on. I'm going to do a cold start. Now, I need to wait until the shop opens, but I'm going to pack these two boxes into the car. The downpipe and the exhaust. The boxes fit perfectly in the car. It's time to head back to school, so I'll see you guys another day.